Regreening App is a mobile-based Android application that helps users to collect information on how farmers and other partners are managing and protecting trees on farms. It bridges the gap between the manual data collection and the digital data collection. One of the key features for the Regreening App is to allow users to walk around the plot where tree planting or FMNR is being practiced. This way, you can be able to determine the exact acreage area under restoration. We have so many projects that are doing restoration, but the question is, do they know the survival rates of the trees that are monitoring? So one of the cool features about the Regreening App is to allow you know the survival rates of the trees that you are managing and protecting. The app is very user-friendly, very easy to use, is multilingual. It allows users to select their own language. Currently, we are supporting 4 languages, including Swahili, English, French, Amharic in Ethiopia, and also Kenya, Rwanda. So this makes it very easy for even the farmers, local farmers, to collect data on the trees they are managing on their farms. This Regreening App allows users to geotag the trees. Once you get the location details of the tree, in the long term, you can monitor these trees using satellite images. The app allows you to take the picture of the tree, and also it allows you to revisit. Revisit meaning that you come after 6 months to take information about the same tree. So this way, you can compare the 2 images using the help of machine learning to see the growth progress. Initially, the app was developed for one project, but people liked it, so we are getting many requests from other NGOs and people who are doing restoration activities to use the app, because the app is free to use. If you have a restoration project, please use the app.